vote piled it the other way.
Oh, crying out loud.
Do you want to know the figures?
How undemocratic is that? Block vote. They've used the block vote to stop going through.
Do you want to know the vote?
Chairman's used the block vote.
14,318 for us, 14,139 for them, right? He then used 8,000 discretionary votes to pilot the other way.
8,019 discretionary votes for next year. We won it on specified votes.
How many have we won?
We got 14,380 specified votes for.
Yeah, how many do they have for that?
14,139. So we won on the specified votes, and he put in 8,019 discretionary votes.
What's a discretionary vote?
It's votes that people have not specified on their ballot.
Oh, I see, yes, they've left it to the chairman.
They've authorised William Proby.
He's got a real conflict of interest as far as this goes. He shouldn't have been allowed to use his block vote. It's completely swayed the whole. There's been no democratic process today.
Oh, that's right.
On the fifth resolution, that was actually fairly close considering how controversial it was. Specified for 10,156 for those members to be removed on their committees against 16,781. That's actually quite close for something controversial. Discretionary for 2 and against discretionary votes 8,176, so the course got swayed. But considering that was so controversial, that was actually including that one.
Absolutely.
As well.